Well, I've got some New Year baking ready. These are some Xinjiang Kao Baozi, or lamb pies prepared. We did these yesterday, and unfortunately we had too much food, so we didn't cook them. So they've been in the fridge. And I've got my tandor going. I wanted about 300 degrees, I think, and it actually cooled down. I've got a couple of pies here, but they're not quite ready, so I wanted to heat it up again. And it's been raining as well, so it took us a while, but we got this gazebo up. It's only temporary to get the rain out. You'd think it'd be a problem with the heat, the flyer, the gazebo, but the temperature gun says it's only about 30 degrees. Not even that at the moment. 9 degrees Celsius. Anyway, I want to burn all the cooking residue off the walls, so I want to get about 500 degrees. Sterilize it again, and then start doing the baozi. Now I think I want to wait to about 300 degrees. I think it dropped down to 250, which was too cold. So a decent fire going there. Fire's out. 360, 370, 380 Celsius. I'm going to try a couple of pies and see how they go. Hopefully they won't burn. Got some salt water here. Just put the base in it. I want that at the top, I think, to seal it. And stick it in. Wow, shit hot. Got another one here. And find a clean spot. Okay. I want to use a damp towel to push it down. Alright, just going to put a bit of olive oil on the top there. And let's see how it goes. Probably didn't need the olive oil, but I do need a central heat to cook the top of the pies. And if these work, I'll do the others. So what I'm worried about, of course, is that the pies will fall off the wall and fall into the fire. Well, it seems to be browning on the edges now. I can see. Maybe I can get down close without burning my camera. Yeah, it's a little bit toasty on the edges there. This one here the same. Anyway, I need the tops brown. Okay, a little bit burning at the bottom there. Maybe I should have put some more, oh well, it's too late now. Salt water on top of them. Real-time cooking, folks. Sometimes if the dough isn't hard enough, not enough gluten, the pies will split open. So you really need a high grade flour for this. Ooh, toasty. Let's get away from that heat. Might just put the lid on, see if I can get the heat reflected down. Yep, let's try that. What is it, a couple of minutes now? Maybe. What temperature is my thermometer reading? Well, I know it's about 350 inside from my infrared gun. I think, was it last time I did this, the whole top cooked, because I think it was over 500 degrees Celsius in this thing. So the whole thing split on me. But luckily my handle is bolted across it, so it's going to hold it in place. It's up to 200 the top now, Celsius. Okay, one's fallen down. Need to pick it up. So one fell down into the fire, so it looks like it was too hot. Oh well, just sterilised it. So I think I want probably about 300 rather than 350 Celsius. I mean centigrade. Alright, okay, so get the gun out. 250. Okay, it's cooled down quite a lot. No, it's 300. Okay, time to do some more. I think I'll do the rest now. I'm just going to do the rest of these pies. So, put the water on first. And then, slap this against the side. They're truly stuck down. Even though I'm inside a leather glove, my hand gets really hot in there. I don't know how they do it with bare hands in Xinjiang. And put the lid on, see if we can get the temperature. Actually, I'll throw some water on first. Let's get some water. And put the lid on, see if we can get the temperature even. It's smoking a bit as the lamb fat drips into the fire. Over here. Yeah, don't start here. I need to put a glove on. Yeah. Pretty not ready. Let's get them down. Pretty good. Which other ones are done? Looks like it's putting this on here. Let's pull it off. See, the fat has come through here. Ripped off. It's toasty there. That's where the oil is coming from. Oh! There's smoke away. Alright, I'll pick up the others now. So let's see if we can, if any more toasting. A little bit more toasting here. Wow, freaking hot. Anyway, it's looking pretty decent. I should take one up and eat it. Let's grab one of these and take it inside and cut it open, have a look. Okay, let's have a look. Whoa, still hot. So the ham is all cooked and the pastry is pretty well done. Great, now to try it out. Actually, I'll wait for it to cool down. Pie's cooked. Oh. Feeling hot. Very moist. Xinjiang Kao Baozi. Thanks for watching.